In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to add media to the media library on your new Drupal website. We'll go over the main fields and required elements for each of the three types of media you can add, which are documents, images, and videos. To add any sort of media to the media library, start by opening the side navigation bar and click on Media. Then, click on the blue Add Media button near the top of the media library. Next, choose which type of media you would like to add. Let's start with documents. Click on Document, and this will take you to the Add Document page. Here, I like to start with uploading the document I want to add, so I'll click on Choose File, and this will open up a search tool to find the document I want to add. Once the file is uploaded, you'll want to make sure to complete all required fields. Remember, required fields are marked with a small red asterisk. The required fields for adding a document are the name of the document and a short summary. So I'll fill each of those out now. Since the name of the file itself is quite clear, I will reuse that for the name of the document I'm adding to the library. For the summary, I recommend using whatever phrases and terms will help distinguish this document from others. Optional fields include document type, display date, a description, and 3 different types of taxonomy terms. All of these optional fields become useful for filtering and displaying only certain documents on listing pages, automatic lists for news, and other types of microcontent. Let's add a couple of taxonomy terms to this document. Just start typing in each of these fields to find the term you want to add. See the video tutorial about taxonomy terms for more information specifically about these. Finally, at the bottom of the page, the document defaults to a published status, and there are optional fields for revision notes, aliases, and authoring information. You must click Save to complete the adding of the document. So we'll click on the blue Save button here, and once you do, you will be taken back to the media library and you'll see your recent document show up at the top of the list. To add an image to the media library, go back up to the top and click on the Add Media button. This time, select Image. The Add Image page is fairly similar to the Add Document page, so let's start by uploading an image by clicking on the Choose File button. You can upload several different formats of media into your library with a maximum size of 100 megabytes per item. Once you've uploaded the image, you are required to add alternative text or mark the image as decorative. This is important for accessibility. When adding an image, ask yourself, is this image essential to understanding the content on a page? If the answer is yes, write alternative text for screen readers to read aloud. If the answer is no, mark the image as decorative by clicking in the checkbox. Once that's done, notice that the file name for this particular image is not very descriptive or clear. I will make sure then that I name the image something more clear, such as Maryland flag. This will make it much easier to find when someone is searching for it. The name is the only other required field here, so I can move on to optional fields such as caption or credit, both of which would be displayed below the image when added to a page. There's room for up to 5 topic taxonomy terms, and the same revision and authoring information fields available as on the Added Document page. Once again, click the Save button to add the image, and we'll return once again to the media library. Adding a video to the media library is a little different. You'll start the same as the other two media types by clicking once again on the blue Add Media button. And then this time, select Remote Video. The Add Remote Video page is much simpler and only includes one required field. In this field, you'll paste the URL for the video from either YouTube or Vimeo. After you do that, click the Save button, and you're done. At any point, you can edit a media item you've already added by finding it in the library and clicking on the Edit button on the right side of the page. When you edit either a document or an image, you can change the name, you can upload a different file, you can add or remove taxonomy terms, and you can add new revision and authoring notes as well. Just be sure to click Save when you're done. And that's it. I hope this has been helpful in learning how to add and categorize different types of media to the media library so that they may be used in many ways across the new website. To learn more, please check out some of the other video tutorials related to adding and editing other types of content, as well as those that show how to use media items like these on your new website. Thanks for watching.